Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about cooperating processes, that is inter-process communication under operating system. So cooperating processes or inter-process communication happens when there are concurrent processes executing in operating system. What is the meaning of concurrent? Meaning many processes are executing simultaneously at the same time inside the operating system. For example, now here in main memory, process 1, process 2, process 3, process 4 are there. So all these process, suppose they are executing simultaneously in OS, that is kernel is a part of the OS and these processes are given to OS simultaneously. Okay, so those are called as what? Concurrent processes, meaning they are executing simultaneously at the same time. So there are two types of processes. One is independent processes, that is independent concurrent processes, and other is cooperating processes. So first we will see what are independent processes. If a process cannot affect or affected by other processes executing in system, then it is independent process. For example, on my computer system, now Word is open. In my Word document, I have written something. Now, I have opened the browser also. And inside my Chrome browser, I have opened the YouTube. And on the YouTube, I am listening to songs. Okay. So, one process is this YouTube and other process which is running is this Word document. So, I can simultaneously work on the Word when I am listening to songs. They are independent processes. Okay, so Word is independent of this YouTube. Both are executing simultaneously. I am listening to the songs also and I am typing inside the Word file also. So both are executing simultaneously inside my computer system, but they are independent of each other. They are not interfering with each other. So such type of processes which cannot affect or affected by other processes executing in system are called as independent process. Now we'll see what are cooperating processes. If process can affect or affected by other processes executing in the system, then it is cooperating process. For example, now inside my memory there are four processes there: process 1, process 2, process 3 and process 4, and one part of the memory is occupied by OS. Okay, kernel is a part of the OS. So now these processes are cooperating processes because they are affected by or can affect the other processes. Okay, they are dependent on each other and they are cooperating. Okay, so execution of one process depend on the other process, that is called as cooperating processes. Concepts come under concurrent process execution only, meaning many processes are executing simultaneously. That time only cooperating processes and independent processes concept counts. So all process shares data with other processes. Process 1 will share the data with process 2. Now process 2 can share the data with process 3 and process 4. Okay. So every process can share its data with other processes executing in the system. So when any process shares the data with other processes which are executing simultaneously, they are called as cooperating processes. They are cooperating with each other. Then cooperating processes communicate via inter-process communication. Inter-process means what? Process to process communication. Process 1 can communicate with process 2, 3, 4, which are executing at the same time. Then process 2 can communicate with process 1, 3 and 4, which are executing at the same time when process 2 is executing. So such type of communication is called as what? Inter-process communication. So example of cooperating process is what? Message passing system, shared memory and synchronization and buffering. Now main two models of inter-process communication or cooperating processes is message passing system and shared memory. Now what is message passing system and shared memory? We'll see with the example. So now in message passing system, there are suppose two processes executing in the operating system at the same time. So concurrently executing processes are process 1 and 2. Okay. Now what will happen using message passing system model of cooperating processes? They will communicate using the message system. So process 1 will send the message to OS. Okay. So message will be sent to OS and from OS it will be sent to process 2. So this message will go to the OS first. Process 1 will send this message to OS. So OS will pass this message to process 2 and process 2 will be able to get the message of process 1. So this is called as message passing system. So they communicate with each other using this message passing system, using operating system. Okay, so they share the data using messages. So now in shared memory, again, two processes are supposed concurrently executing. That is process 1 and process 2 are simultaneously executing inside the operating system. And this is the kernel OS which is there at the bottom. So now there is one section called a shared memory section. Now process 1 and process 2 will communicate using this shared memory section. Meaning process 1 will give its data to the shared memory section, and from the shared memory section data will be taken by process 2. So suppose this is the data. So it will be given by process 1 to shared memory first, and from the shared memory data will be taken by process 2. So this way processes are communicating using this shared memory model of cooperating processes. Now we'll see the reasons for process cooperation. Why we do the process cooperation? Okay, there are different types of environment which allows the process cooperation. First is information sharing. Why processes are cooperating with each other? So that they can share the information with each other. Computational speed up. Meaning, if we are doing any computation, mathematical computation or any data analysis, you can do it very fast if processes are cooperating. Then modularity and convenience. So these are the reasons for process cooperation. So this was all about the cooperating processes, that is inter-process communication or IPC under operating system. Thank you.